FLD17 Fingerprint Gun Lock. Packaging. At first, you could unlock it with any finger. Set administrator account. 1. Press the panel for 3 seconds until the blue light is on. Input the administrator account 10 times. The very first one will be the administrator account. If the red light is on, you could just repeat. Succeed. Now you can only open with the administrator finger instead of any other finger. Set user finger. Press the panel for 3 to 5 seconds until the blue and red light flashing. Identify with administrator account. Input user finger 10 times. In different angles, please. Succeed. Now you could only open with the administrator finger and the user finger. Delete. Press the panel for 10 seconds until the red light flashing. Continue. Identify with the administrator account. Now you could unlock with any finger. Now let's try it on the gun. Input administrator account. Unlock. Install it in the trigger. Now you can only open with the administrator finger instead of any other finger.